This is an interesting detail. This car I think is a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. You see that little center hubcap right there? It's screwed in. Here's that black thing, it's a screw. Probably with a special driver. And why would it be screwed in? Because there are always people who want to steal those things. I got this Ferrari hubcap. I got this Lamborghini hubcap. You pop it off with a screwdriver. I had a Chrysler 300 that had center caps just like this, but it wasn't screwed in. I had somebody steal it. Maybe they stole it because someone stole theirs, so in turn they stole mine, and it goes on and on and on. And my center cap, like this, all you needed to do was pry it off with a screwdriver. That center cap, that stupid center cap on a Chrysler 300, my Hemi, is $50 to replace that center cap. It was very smart. They've got that screwed into the wheel.